How to send voice messages in Telegram. To send a voice message in Telegram, you have to follow few steps. This video is a short guide to help you out to send voice message in Telegram application. First of all, make sure that you have updated version of Telegram application. Once you check that, launch your Telegram application and make sure you have logged into your account. Once you launch the Telegram application on your iPhone, choose the chat where you want to send the voice message. This could be a personal chat, group chat, or any channel. From here, on the bottom right, you will see a voice icon or microphone icon. You just have to tap and hold the microphone icon in the text input field at the bottom of the screen. Once you do that, while holding the microphone icon, speak your message. You will see the waveform appears as your voice message is captured. You just have to release it to send it. If you want to cancel, then you have to slide it to the left to cancel your voice message. In this way, you can easily record a voice message in Telegram. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.